For this 60-second update, we're at RAF Gibraltar, seeing our movers-load aircraft that use one of the world's most challenging runways. As part of Operation Highmast, the RAF worked closely with the Italian strike group, creating a force of 21 warships, 3 submarines, 41 fast jets and over 8,000 personnel on exercise Medstrike. The exercise involved testing air defence capabilities against aerial drone threats, aiming to enhance collaboration with NATO Allies. On the 8th of June, we hosted the RAF's own air show at RAF Cosford. The sold-out event entertained 50,000 visitors with flying and stat displays that celebrate the work of RAF NATO Allies and partner nations and inspire the next generation with defence innovations in dedicated STEM hangars. We hope you enjoyed the show. Also in Gibraltar this week, RAF Scuba Divers are learning new skills on Gibraltar Eagle, the newest Eagle scheme from the Robson Academy of Resilience. The Eagle scheme uses adventurous training in activities like scuba diving, rock climbing, skiing, and even a wellness retreat to produce resilient, motivated, and agile aviators who thrive physically and psychologically in work, at home, and on operations. Congratulations to everyone recognised in the latest King's Birthday Honours and Operational Honours list. Full details available on our website. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.